Hi, detectives! When we see a puzzle like this, the rule is hidden. Thinking like a mathematician means trying different ideas until one sticks. Let's go on a rule hunt. Look at the first cross. How can we use 5, 3, and 23 to get 8? Pause the video now if you want to try to find the relationship yourself. Let's try our first idea, addition. 5 plus 3 is 8. Hey, that matches the bottom. But wait, we must check if it works on the second cross too. 7 plus 4 is 11, but 11 isn't an option. That means addition is not the rule. Let's try something else. What if we multiply the sides? 5 times 3 is 15. Now look at the top. 23 minus 15 is 8. It works. Now we apply this multiply then subtract rule to the second cross. 7 times 4 is 28, and 42 minus 28 is 14. The answer is 14, or option E. The concept here is trial and improvement. We tested an idea, saw it didn't fit everything, and tried a new one. You made it! Great job, detective! Like and subscribe to learn more math secrets. See you next time!